Today, I'll show you how to add tasks to Google Calendar using a computer. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to create tasks from your main calendar view and how to manage them in the side panel so you can stay organized and on top of your to-dos. Let's start from your Google Calendar in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into your Google account and you can see your calendar grid with your days and weeks. At the top left of the screen, you'll see a button labeled Create. This is your main starting point for adding anything new to your calendar, including events, reminders, and tasks. To add a task from here, click the Create button once. A small menu will appear with a few options. Instead of choosing Event, look for the option labeled Task and click that. When you do, a task creation window will open. In this window, you can type the name of your task, such as Submit Report or Call the Dentist. Take a moment to use a clear action-based name so you'll recognize it at a glance later. Below the title, you'll usually see options to choose a date and time. Pick the day you want this task to appear on, and if it's time specific, set a time as well. If you don't need a time, you can leave it as an all-day task, so it simply shows up on that date. You may also have a place to add details or notes. This is useful if you want to include extra information like what document you need to work on or a short checklist of what needs to be done. Once you're happy with the title and the date, click Save. Your new task will now appear on your calendar on the day you selected, usually with a small checkmark icon so you can tell it apart from regular events. Now let's look at the second way to add tasks using the side panel. On the right-hand side of the Google Calendar screen, you'll notice a narrow vertical panel with several icons. One of them is the blue Tasks icon, which looks like a white circle with a blue check mark inside. Click that icon to open the Tasks panel. When the panel opens, you'll see a list of your existing tasks, if you have any, along with an option that says Add a Task with a plus sign. Click Add a Task to create a new one. A text field will appear where you can type the task name. Just like before, give it a clear, specific title. After entering the name, look for options to add more details such as a description, a date, and possibly a time. Setting a date here ensures the task shows up on your calendar as well as in the list. This is a great way to see both an overview of everything you need to do and exactly when it's scheduled. When you're done, click Save or simply confirm the task and it will appear in your list and on the corresponding day in your calendar. Using these two methods together can really streamline your planning. The Create button is ideal when you're already looking at a specific day or week and want to drop a task directly onto the calendar. The side panel is perfect for quickly capturing tasks in a list format and then assigning dates so nothing slips through the cracks.